Today we have the opportunity to expand our vocabulary by learning about the topic of medicine. We are learning American English. This content is an excellent chance to learn to improve your English vocabulary. Medicine is a powerful tool that can help diagnose, prevent, treat, or alleviate the symptoms of diseases and medical conditions. There are many different forms of medicine available, including pills, capsules, liquids, injections, and topical preparations such as creams or ointments. It's great to know that there are many options for medicines, including prescription medicines that can be obtained with a doctor's prescription, over-the-counter, OTC, medicines that can be purchased without a prescription, and complementary or alternative medicines such as herbal remedies and supplements. It's amazing how medicines can be tailored to target specific parts of the body or systems, like the digestive system or the central nervous system. It's great to know that there are various categories of drugs available to cater to different needs, including pain relief, antibiotics, anti-inflammatory drugs, and antihistamines. Here are some additional groups of medicines. Vaccines are amazing medicines that can help prevent infectious diseases by stimulating the body's immune system to create an immune response. Hormones. These are amazing medicines that help regulate the body's hormonal balance, such as birth control pills, insulin, and thyroid hormone replacement. Antidepressants. These are medicines that can help improve mood and treat depression and other mood disorders by altering brain chemistry. Antipsychotics. These medicines are effective in treating psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia and bipolar disorder by positively impacting brain chemistry. Anticoagulants are a great option to prevent blood clots from forming and are commonly used to treat conditions like deep vein thrombosis and stroke. Antidiabetic medicines are a great way to manage diabetes and regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Chemotherapy drugs. These powerful medicines are used to treat cancer and can destroy cancer cells or stop their growth. NSAIDs are a great option for treating pain, fever, and inflammation. They include aspirin and ibuprofen, which can help alleviate discomfort and improve your overall well-being. Bronchodilators are great medicines that help treat asthma and other respiratory conditions by relaxing the muscles around the airways, making it easier to breathe. Diuretics. These medicines are great for increasing urine production and treating conditions like high blood pressure and heart failure. The FDA, U.S. Food and Drug Administration, has a clear system for categorizing medicines into two main groups. Prescription medicines. These are medicines that can be obtained with a prescription from a licensed healthcare professional, such as a doctor or nurse practitioner. While prescription medicines require closer monitoring by healthcare providers, they are also highly effective in treating a wide range of health conditions. Great news! Over-the-counter, OTC, medicines are available for purchase without a prescription and are generally considered to be safe, with a lower risk of potential harm compared to prescription medicines. OTC medicines provide easy access for individuals to self-diagnose and treat minor health conditions and symptoms. It's great to know that the FDA regulates a wide range of medicines, including biologics and generic medicines that are equivalent to brand-name medicines in dosage, strength, quality, and intended use. These few examples are just the beginning, as there are countless categories and subcategories of medicines available to help improve health and well-being. There are many other groups of medicines available. Antihypertensives. These are medicines that can effectively lower high blood pressure. Anticonvulsants. These are effective medicines that can help manage seizures and epilepsy. Antihistamines are great medicines that can effectively treat allergies and allergic reactions. Muscle relaxants are a great option to treat muscle spasms and pain. Anesthetics are amazing medicines that help induce loss of sensation or consciousness during medical procedures or surgery, ensuring a comfortable and pain-free experience for the patient. Antiemetics. These medicines are effective in treating nausea and vomiting. Proton pump inhibitors are effective medicines that can help alleviate acid reflux and ulcers. Beta blockers are effective medicines that can help manage high blood pressure, heart failure, and other cardiovascular conditions. Antifungal medicines are a great option for treating fungal infections. Antiviral medicines. These are powerful tools that can effectively treat viral infections. Antibiotics are amazing medicines that can effectively destroy harmful bacteria in the body or limit their growth. Anthelmintics are a highly effective medication used to treat parasitic worm infections, including tapeworms, roundworms, and hookworms. Anthelmintics are effective in treating worm infections as they either directly kill the worms or immobilize them, making it easier for the body to expel them. It's great to know that anthelmintics are available in different forms such as pills, liquids, and injections, and can be used as part of a comprehensive treatment plan that may also include changes in diet and lifestyle. Disinfectants are a powerful tool in the fight against harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. They can be used on surfaces, equipment, or skin to eliminate these harmful agents and keep us safe. It's great to know that disinfectants are widely used in healthcare settings, laboratories, and at home to prevent the spread of infection. It's great to know that there are many effective disinfectants available, such as bleach, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, and quaternary ammonium compounds. Here is some additional information on medicines. Side effects. While medicines are used to treat diseases and conditions, they may also cause side effects. Some common side effects of medicines include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, drowsiness, headaches, and allergic reactions. It is important to discuss potential side effects with a doctor or pharmacist before taking any medicine. Dosage. The dosage of a medicine refers to the amount and frequency of the medicine that should be taken. The dosage may vary depending on the age, weight, and medical condition of the patient. It is important to follow the prescribed dosage instructions carefully to ensure the medicine is effective and safe. Interactions. Medicines may interact with other medicines, foods, and beverages. These interactions can sometimes be dangerous or cause unexpected side effects. It is important to inform the doctor or pharmacist of all medicines, supplements, and herbs being taken to avoid any potential interactions. Prescription versus OTC. Prescription medicines are medicines that require a prescription from a doctor, while OTC medicines can be purchased without a prescription. Prescription medicines are usually more potent and may have more side effects than OTC medicines. Storage. Medicines should be stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat. Some medicines may need to be refrigerated. It is important to read the storage instructions on the medicine label carefully. Disposal. Unused or expired medicines should be disposed of properly to prevent accidental ingestion or misuse. Most communities have medicine take-back programs or provide instructions for safe disposal. Flushing certain medicines down the toilet or throwing them in the trash can be harmful to the environment. Based on their chemical structure and physiological effects, antihistamines can be categorized into two generations. First-generation antihistamines. These were the first antihistamines created and are commonly known as sedating antihistamines. They inhibit histamine receptors in the brain and can cause lethargy and other effects on the central nervous system. Diphenhydramine, Benadryl, chlorpheniramine, chlorotrimazole, and brompheniramine, Dimetapp, are first-generation antihistamines. These antihistamines were developed later and are commonly known as non-sedating antihistamines. They are designed to be more selective in inhibiting histamine receptors in the body and to have a smaller impact on the central nervous system, so they are less likely to induce drowsiness. The antihistamines loratadine, Claritin, cetirizine, Zyrtec, fexofenadine, Allegra, and levocetirizine, Xyl, are examples of second-generation medications. Although second-generation antihistamines are generally considered safer and more effective than first-generation antihistamines, they may not be appropriate for everyone. Some individuals may still experience drowsiness or other adverse effects with second-generation antihistamines, and in certain circumstances, first-generation antihistamines may be preferred for their sedative effects, such as in the treatment of insomnia. Before taking any medication, it is always essential to consult a physician or pharmacist. Desloratadine belongs to the class of medications known as antihistamines. It is a second-generation antihistamine, which means it is designed to be more selective in inhibiting histamine receptors in the body and has a smaller impact on the central nervous system than first-generation antihistamines. Desloratadine is typically prescribed for the treatment of allergies and allergic reactions, such as hay fever, urticaria, and nasal congestion. Montelukast is a member of the class of drugs known as leukotriene receptor antagonists. It works by preventing the body from producing leukotrienes, which can cause inflammation and constriction of the lungs' airways. Primarily, Montelukast is used to prevent and manage asthma symptoms such as wheezing, shortness of breath, and coughing. Additionally, it may be employed to treat allergies and prevent exercise-induced bronchoconstriction. Although montelukast is not an antihistamine, it is frequently combined with antihistamines to provide complete relief from asthma and allergy symptoms. It was wonderful having you watch. Thank you for considering subscribing to see more exciting videos.